As you can see, it's very simple layout application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So this is pretty much the home screen once you have allowed access to your storage, so your photos be able to show here. You can either upload a photo by tapping on the photo icon and the plus icon down here, or you can take a photo right now. So, or you can go in the gallery section and select whichever photo you would like to edit. So you have a lot of photos. Then once you have selected the photos, here you can see all the editing tools that you have. Very simple editing tools, nothing much. So down here you have some editing. You can tap on the editing option down here, which you can as well see some other editing tools which you can use. So some of them you may see a star icon. That pretty much means you're gonna need their premium subscription to use those features. So at the top here, you can tap on the three dots here to save the image. Once you have done editing it, you can save the copy to your device, and also you can save the settings, or should I say, save the edits that you have done to the video, and you can also copy that edit and you paste the same edit onto a next image, which is really crazy. So once you have copied these settings, let's say for example the color, everything, then tap on the top here and you can see your copied settings. I'll go on the next image, and all after you just tap on three dots and paste settings, and that's it. So very simple. So that's really pretty much it for the editing application. Over here with the community option, this is pretty much where you can see other people have created on the application, other images. As you can see here, new images as well. You have people that you have followed. And if I go back to the For You section here, as you can see, quite a lot of images that the community have posted. And you yourself even can upload images as well. So if you tap on these few lines over here, you can go to your profile section and pretty much look at your profile or your account section here, and nothing much for that there. But once you have uploaded an image, you can go in the live option and pretty much upload your image to the community. So here you have some images. Let's say you like one of these images. Let's tap on any one of them and you'll be able to edit it. So you can pretty much see how they have edited this image here by tapping on the play edit option, and as well you can tap on the circle or icon here. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to edit the image as for yourself. So as you can see here, you may not get the settings that they have used to edit their image because you don't have a subscription, so do keep that in mind. And as well, you can edit it to how you want to edit it, pretty much. So that's really pretty much it for that. And if you want to consider editing later, you can just tap on the back icon there, which is the arrow icon, and tap on continue or discard it, and we'll save somewhere. So that's pretty much it for that there. You can also save it somewhere as well on the profile icon here. Nothing much. So very easy application to use. If I miss anything at all, just comment below. I'd love to help you out, and see you in the next one.